Hi everyone, and welcome to the ABQ RIDE Connect pilot program. Let's get started with this exciting new tool you can use to help connect you to your destinations throughout the city of Albuquerque. Before you get started, it's important to make sure your pickup and drop-off locations are located within the pilot program's two predetermined zones. You can see these zones in more detail by going to cabq.gov/ABQ RIDE Connect. Next, let's download the ABQ RIDE Connect app. Whether you're using an Apple or Android device, go to your App Store and search for ABQ RIDE Connect. After you've downloaded the app, open it up. Tap the Where To field and enter in your destination. If your pickup location is different than your current location, you can enter it in manually in the Where From field. Tap Confirm Location to confirm your pickup location. The app will automatically search for rides near you. Select ABQ RIDE Connect as your pickup vehicle. Tap Request Ride to confirm your pickup. The app will provide an estimated time of arrival based on availability and traffic. Additional information about your driver, riders, and your trip are all available in the app. And that's it! Make sure to be at your pickup location when the driver arrives to ensure expeditious service throughout the city of Albuquerque. We are proud to provide this new service to the city of Albuquerque and look forward to you riding with us in the future. For more information, go to abqride.com.